Hey everyone, welcome back to JoystickLab. In this part of our tutorial, we're going to add some interaction into this cat. We're going to add scale, rotation and reposition into the cat. So let's get started. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel.
Next, we want to make this cat interactive. To do that, we can double click on this prefab, open this prefab window, and then we can add a few components. The first one is going to be the selection interactable. And then we can add a interactable to move this cat, which is translation interactable, and we are going to add a rotation interactable. So all them together is going to move, rotate or select the cat. We're going to add a selection visualizer, so when the cat is selected we can see a outline. So to do that, we're going to create a cube as a child of this cat, and we're going to scale it up so it basically fits the cat model. I'm going to put 1.2. You can do it based on your model size. And then we also need to make sure that we can see the cat through this cube, right? To do that, we need to change the material. So let's create a new material, and we're going to basically change the materials property a little bit. So let's give it a name, and the rendering mode is now opaque. We're going to change it to transparent, and we're going to give it a color. I'm going to put green here and change the alpha value to 87, and then we can make it a little bit metallic to make it a little bit sharp, and smoothness as well, so it looks a little bit slick, and drag and drop this material finally to the cube, right? So as you can see, we can see the cat through. All right, now we can add this cube to the visualizer, right? So you can click on the cat, drag and drop this cube to the selection visualization, right? And also we need to make sure that there is a box collider attached to this cat, so when we throw raycast to select it, it basically should work. And make sure that the box collider has a bigger range so it's easy to select. It should not be too small or too big. It should be fit with the boundary of the cat. And then I actually forgot one or two more things, so we need to basically uncheck or basically disable this cube, so it's going to be handled by the selection interactable. And also we need to add a scale interactable component so we can scale this 3D model. And also it's a good practice to move this up so they're all in the they're all together.